Let's discuss how to use ages and minutes. Each ages and minutes video will cover a course topic. Instead of a long, drawn-out lecture, the topic is covered in only minutes. Students can watch, rewatch, rewind, and review topics at any time. Each student learns material at a different pace, and the videos allow students to determine that pace. Let's think about this in terms of preparation, class, and post-class. Preparation. Prior to class, students are expected to watch a video about the topic. The videos are designed to be short and to the point. There are no tangents and there are no distractions. Students will answer multiple choice questions that will go along into the formative grade category and may be revisited as many times as needed. There will be a short supplemental reading assigned with the class compendium. Students are encouraged to email me questions or write them down. I will collect and answer the questions in class. The next day in class, there may be time assigned for students to review the video at the beginning of the class. That may be dependent on the amount of time we have in class and some other factors. It can't be guaranteed, so you certainly want to prep before class. There will be a Q&A session where I will answer questions that have been emailed to me and any in-person questions. The rest of the time will be devoted to looking at materials that enhance the understandings of the topic, along with completing activities and enrichment exercises. Enrichment topics may include making connections to the priority concepts, connecting it to biology, psychology, ecology, and other social studies. After class, these videos are on my YouTube channel and are always available for review. Students can always reference these videos and use them to assist them with the preparation for all assessments. Additionally, for some students who are moving on to AP Micro or AP Macroeconomics, many of the videos will assist you in understanding the topics of those courses. You are strongly encouraged to always go back and reference these videos whenever that will help you. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to class.